Meanwhile, Himmatnagar of Sabarkantha district in Gujarat witnessed fresh set of clashes between two communities on Monday. On the occasion of Ram Navami celebration in just a single day, two incidents of riot took place. Heavy stone pelting was reported. Several shops, vehicles and even houses were torched by miscreants. Now, for the riots, police have booked 3 FIRs, detained 50 people. Several teams of the police have been deployed after the incident. However, again on Monday night, violence erupted, clashes erupted in some places. And according to reports, even petrol bombs were hurled. Cops have now resorted to lathi charge to disperse growing crowds and to control the situation. Amid the tense situation, your families residing in those areas began mass exodus, but cops reached in, assuring many of them that adequate security will be deployed.
कहाँ चले गए हैं लोग कि घर में ताले जो लगे हैं?
यहाँ पे जो लोग रह रहे थे वो डर के मारे किसी रिश्तेदार के यहाँ या दोस्त के वहाँ चले गए।
अच्छा, आप क्या पूरी फैमिली के साथ निकल गए सब लोग?
हाँ, पूरी फैमिली के साथ घर पे ताला लगा के यहाँ से निकल गए, क्योंकि उनके साथ बच्चे भी काफी लोग हैं, बच्चे भी है, छोटे छोटे बूढ़े लोग भी है, तो सब में बहुत डर रहता है कि कभी भी हमला हो सकता है, इसलिए वो घर बंद करके यहाँ से चले गए हैं।
क्यों घर खाली कर रहे? पुलिस बता रही कि सिक्योरिटी दी जाएगी।
यहाँ पे जो दंगा हुआ अभी 2 दिन पहले, उसके डर की वजह से
तो पुलिस सिक्योरिटी तो दी जा रही है। फिर
पुलिस सिक्योरिटी, लेकिन इतनी सारी में सब गोडाउन पे सब कापड़ का माल पड़ा है, सब डेकोरेशन का, टेंट का वगैरह, तो उसमें सब जला दे या कुछ कर दे तो कुछ
बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा।
माल का बहुत नुकसान होता है।
क्या कहेंगे जिस तरीके के हालात यहाँ पे है?
हालत तो ऐसे है कि भाई यहाँ पे क्या बाणु ताणु 2002 सब में दंगा हुआ है ब्रो। यहाँ के आगे भी सब इंसान खाली करके यहाँ से पलायन हो गए। अब जो बाकी रह गए वो उसमें यहाँ पे इतना हमला हुआ, 2 बार हमला हुआ, 2 रैली में 2 बार हो गया एक ही दिन में। तो लोगों को डर ऐसा हो गया है कि अभी जला देंगे, मार देंगे, उसके हिसाब से सब भाग गए यहाँ से।
मैंने जो पता किया है उसमें वो ये कह रहा है कि वो अपना सामान यहाँ पुराने घर में शिफ्ट कर रहा है, तो ऐसा कोई बात उन्होंने मेरे ध्यान में नहीं रखा। बट हाँ, यहाँ पे पुलिस पूरी तरह डिप्लॉयड है और डरने का उस तरह का कोई मतलब ज़रूरत नहीं है। सिचुएशन जो है वो हम अंडर कंट्रोल है।
Now, cutting across to Saurabh Bhaktania joining us live from Himmatnagar. Saurabh, the situation seems quite tense. Even last night, post the Ram Navami clashes, we believe last night too, situation turned quite violent, and many people living in those localities there, out of fear of any riot situation, they've moved out, vacated until the police came in to assure them. So we're seeing signals of mass exodus in those very sensitive communal areas. Give us an understanding, what's the situation on ground? The visuals look horrendous.
Well, absolutely, Nabila. The situation is pretty much tense and under control. Yesterday also cops were saying that the things are under control. They have deployed so many of the police officials. But yesterday night again in the Himmatnagar area, now in the different place of Himmatnagar, the riots actually took place. And let me tell you, the major concern for the police officials right now is that yesterday night when the riots actually took place, petrol bombs were used. So this is the major concern, because now cops are actually investigating the matter in the angle that whether these riots are happening a pre-planned manner, because yesterday night when the incident took place, all of them were completely equipped and at proper timing all these riots actually took place. So the cops are now investigating whether these riots which are happening in the Himmatnagar area, whether they are planned or not. Right now we are present at the SP office in Sabarkantha area, but here the concern is right now the Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi has arrived over here. The DGP, the IG, all the senior police officials and all of them are present over here. The meeting was actually happening and the cops, senior cops are present over here. The meeting has just ended and we'll try to speak to Home Minister himself whether he has to speak something. Sir, क्या कहेंगे जिस तरीके के ये जो वारदातें हुई है? Home Minister right now not speaking, but the meeting has just got over. Not willing to speak at the moment, but the meeting actually lasted for around half an hour. It raises several questions that even after so much of police deployment and so much cops present in the Himmatnagar area, why the riots are continuously happening. Because let me tell you, Nabila, in less than 48 hours, in just less than 48 hours, 3 incidents of rioting have taken place in the Himmatnagar area. Home Minister had a meeting with the DGP, the IG, the SP level, all the senior officials were present over here. The meeting has just got ended, and now what we have been told that the Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi might even visit the places where these riots are actually taking place. But it will be very important to see that what instructions were given to the senior police officers, that what should be done next so that these riots don't happen again. Back to you, Nabila.
All right, thank you very much, Saurabh, for joining us with those details. Let me quickly shift focus now to Karnataka.